Supertech has won the Core Technology Award at the 2023 Appliance Electronics World Expo, also known as the Oscars of China's appliance industry and the Oscars of the global smart life industry. Supertech's fourth-generation vacuum insulation panel, which uses a new sealing technology on all four sides, mainly solves the problem of easy damage to the corners of traditional bag-type VIP panels and their leakage caused by secondary folding, effectively reducing energy consumption. It can be used in fields such as freezer refrigeration equipment, building wall insulation, transportation cold chain transportation, etc. Supertech has been deeply involved in the field of vacuum insulation for 16 years, obtaining 114 patents of all kinds, and is one of the important makers of industry standards. The company will continue to innovate in technology, contribute to the quality development of the global home appliance industry, and help open a new era of smart technology life in the future.